Now students, as you see, human alimentary canal, so you can write in pancreatic juice 3 types of enzymes are present: trypsin, amylase and lipase. So trypsin converts proteins and peptones into polypeptides and amino acids. Amylase converts starch into the sugar, and lipase converts emulsified fat into glycerol and fatty acids. Okay, so these 3 types of enzymes are present, and when food passes through the small intestine, of course 5 to 6 types of enzymes are present. You can write in your copies also: ellipsin, maltase, sucrase, lactase and lipase. Okay, so ellipsin converts the remaining protein and peptones into the amino acids. Maltose converts maltose into the glucose. Sucrose converts sucrose into glucose and fructose. Lactose converts lactose and glucose into the galactose. Lipase converts emulsified fat into glycerol and fatty acids. Okay, so these are all about the small intestine, in which 5 different types of enzymes are present. And of course the undigested food, it goes through the large intestine, and then it passes through the it gets defecated through the anus portion, through the sphincter muscles is present. So this is whole about whole alimentary canal. You can write in your notes also. You can make a column and you can write gland juice. You can write enzymes, edible substances, and what will happen after reaction. Okay, so you can write what is saliva, which contains enzymes ptyalin and maltase. Edible substances include starch and maltose, and after the reaction, ptyalin converts starch into maltose, maltase converts maltose and glucose. Okay, now the second gland juice is the gastric juice. Of course, pepsin and renin, which I have said earlier that it contains inside the stomach. So pepsin converts into proteins and renin converts into the casein enzymes. Okay, and after the reaction, peptones and calcium paracasein are formed. So in pancreatic juice, 3 types of enzymes are present: trypsin, amylase and lipase. Trypsin converts proteins and peptones into amino acids and glycerol. Amylase converts starch into the sugar, and lipase converts emulsified fat into the fatty acids and glycerol. Okay, now in intestinal juice, ellipsin, maltase, lactase, sucrase and lipase enzymes are present, and lactase converts into the lactase. Of course, lactase converts glucose and fructose after the reaction. Sucrase converts sucrose converts glucose and galactose. Lipase converts fat, and fat into fatty acids and glycerol. Okay, so you can make a chart, you can write, and 5 types of process which I have said: ingestion, digestion, assimilation, absorption, defecation. 5 types of this process you have to write. A human alimentary canal diagram you have to show, and write some what I have said. So you should write in your lecture clearly. Okay, in the next portion we will study about the heart, and if any queries are there, you should write in YouTube channel. Okay, in below my, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.